South Africa Tour of England 2025. First one-day match at Headingley, Leeds. South Africa won the toss, elected to field first. England 24.3 overs, 131 runs all out. Jamie Smith is the highest scorer, 54 runs, 48 balls. Then South Africa team best bowling spell. Keshav Maharaj 5.3 overs, no maiden, 22 runs, 4 wickets taken. South Africa 20.5 overs, 137 runs, lost by 3 wickets. Aiden Markaram is the highest scorer, 86 runs, 55 balls. Then England team best bowling spell. Adil Rashid 3.5 overs, no maiden, 26 runs, 3 wickets taken. South Africa won by 7 wickets in this match. Player of the match Keshav Maharaj. Congratulations South Africa cricket team. Second one-day match at London, 4 September, Bangladesh time, 6 p.m.